Welcome to another card tutorial. I'm Tiana. I'm a project manager by day and an avid card maker by night. If you want to see how this Happy Easter card with optional rhinestone accents is made, keep watching. Shown here and linked below are all of the specific items that I used for this card. What you don't see here are the optional rhinestones, which I'll show later on in the video. To start, take your pencil and base paper and draw out the design. There is a link to a free template in the description box below. Once you're happy with the design and you have it drawn out in pencil, switch over to your silver pen and trace over the pencil lines that you'd previously drawn for the Happy Easter lettering near the bottom of the card. This is probably my favorite silver pen to use. I find it's actually a perfect thickness for lettering on cards. And this is the Michael's Recollections pen, the exact pen I have linked down below for you if you're interested. Once I had the lettering complete, I took my eraser and just kind of eliminated the majority of the pencil lines. On camera it doesn't show up well, but I could actually still see those 3 eggs drawn in real life. And why I did this was I just wanted to make sure that when I went over with this light pink color, you didn't see any of the pencil lines through this color. So I simply took my pink colored pen and I traced over all of the pencil lines that I had previously drawn. And once you've completed that, you could leave the card just like this for a very nice and simple Happy Easter card. However, if you want to add a little bit of extra sparkle, like I did, was I placed several rhinestones kind of on various places in those 3 different eggs on the design. So you can kind of see here on a close-up where exactly the rhinestones are placed. You could of course vary them on your card depending on your preference and if you want more or less sparkle and perhaps how many rhinestones you have around. And then once you're happy with the layout, simply just take whatever glue you have. I usually use a fast drying glue and glue them all on. And once the glue is dry, this rhinestone version is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and try making this card yourself. Happy Easter!